Hey Lake Havasu, Dr. Linda Marquez Goodine here, and I want to invite you to an upcoming workshop on peptides. This is for women only, but it's on peptide education, hormone optimization. How do you do that? And I want to teach you about peptides because there's so much information out there, but you don't even know what they are, what they do. The most infamous you've probably heard of already are GLP-1 and 2. You've heard of semaglutide, tirzepatide, and how many people are using them for fat loss and getting incredible results, yet other people are using them and are getting no results. So this seminar is going to be for educational purposes only. So seating will be limited, so I do need you to register for this. You can go on our website, you can go and click on the link below. You may have to text your information to us because we're having little issues with our registration, but I wanted to get this video out to you, this information out, because we will fill up quickly. Don't want you to lose out. So if you're looking to, decrease that food noise, you want healthier skin, hair, nails, you want to recover quicker. There's a lot of women that are there that are inflamed and are in pain all the time. And we want to teach you, what do you need to do for this, and how are people using peptides and hormones naturally so that they can get to their health goals quicker, but also having some support while you're doing that. So anyways, register on the link below, and I'm looking forward to seeing you then.